Hello friends, welcome to Allied Classes. If you are watching my video, please like and subscribe my channel. In previous video, we have seen the cell organelle endoplasmic reticulum. In this video, we are going to see the another cell organelle, that is Golgi complex or the Golgi complex. So let us see the diagram or the structure of Golgi complex. This is a structure of Golgi complex. Now here you can see, we will name this transparent fluid. Here in this cisternae, means sac-like structure, transparent fluid is present. Here from transparent fluid or from the cisternae, this discharging vesicles are discharged. Vesicles are discharged, so it's known as discharging vesicle. Discharging vesicles. Okay. Now here you can see this is a cisternae. Here is a tubules. Here are the tubules, and here the rounded structure are secretory vesicles. Means vesicles are getting secreted. Here the vesicles. You can see the rounded structure. It is vesicle. Now we will name the diagram as vesicles fusing with cis phase. Means these vesicles are fusing with cis phase. Cis phase means forming phase. Okay. Fusing with cis phase. These are the tubules. This is vesicles, or we will say it as a transport vesicles. Now, what is cis phase? Cis phase is nothing but the forming phase, means convex structure. Here you can see the convex structure. We will write here cis or forming phase, means convex phase. Okay. It is towards the nucleus and endoplasmic reticulum. This phase or the forming phase is towards the nucleus or the endoplasmic reticulum. Towards nucleus or endoplasmic reticulum. Here this is cisternae, means sac-like structure. These are the cisternae, and here you can see this tubules like structure is a trans or the maturing phase. This phase is known as a trans phase or the maturing phase. Trans or maturing phase. It is concave in structure. You can see it is concave in structure. It is convex in structure. Concave phase. This phase is towards the cell membrane. Means the trans phase of Golgi complex is towards the cell membrane, and the cis phase towards the nucleus or the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Towards cell membrane. So this was the structure of Golgi complex. Now first we will see the discovery of Golgi complex. Okay, Golgi complex is observed by the Camillo Golgi, so named as a Golgi complex. So we will write here, Golgi complex is discovered by Camillo Golgi in year 1898, so named as Golgi complex or Golgi body. This Golgi complex or Golgi body is observed in the nerve cells in nervous cells of owl and cat. We will write here, observed first, okay, first observed in nerve cells in nervous cell of owl and cat. This Golgi complex are known as secretory cells or the secretory cell organelle, Becker's body, lipochondria, idiosomes, Golgi complex, Golgi apparatus or pleomorphic organelle. Pleomorphic organelle, why it is known as pleomorphic organelle? Because it is of different form or size in different cells. Okay. Now we will write here the points. Golgi complex is also known as first secretory cell organelle, Becker's body, third lipochondria, idiosomes, Golgi body, or Golgi apparatus, or pleomorphic organelle. Now, why it is known as pleomorphic organelle? Because it is of different forms and different size in different cells. Okay, different form or size in different cells. Now this Golgi body makes endomembrane system in cell because they are associated with endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome and cell membrane. Golgi body makes endomembrane system in cell because they are associated with endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome and cell membrane. So we will write here in short, Golgi body makes endomembrane system associated with endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome and cell membrane. Now we will see where this endoplasmic or Golgi complex is present, where this Golgi complex or the Golgi bodies are present. As we have seen that endoplasmic reticulum is a feature of eukaryotic cell. So this Golgi body is absent in prokaryotes and it is a feature of eukaryotic cell. Absent in prokaryotes or prokaryotic cell. Feature of eukaryotic cell. Now this Golgi complex means the Golgi body is also present in plant cell as well as animal cell. Present in plant cell plus animal cell. But there is some exceptions where the Golgi body in eukaryotes not present. Exceptional cases: where the Golgi complex or the Golgi body is not present, then we will see what are the exceptional cases. As we know that endoplasmic reticulum is also not present in human RBCs or the mammalian RBCs. In this case, Golgi body or the Golgi complex is not present in human RBCs. Human RBCs means absent in human RBCs. Absent in human RBCs. Then it is absent in sieve tubes of phloem. Means in case of plant, it is absent in sieve tubes. Sieve tubes of phloem. Okay. And male and female gametes of bryophytes and pteridophytes as well as fungi. Male and female gametes of bryophytes, pteridophytes as well as fungi. So Golgi body is present in eukaryote. It is a feature of eukaryote, means present in plant cell as well as animal cell, but in exceptional cases it is absent in human RBCs, sieve tubes of phloem, absent in male and female gametes of bryophytes, pteridophytes and fungi. Now we will see the structure and the components of Golgi body. Structure and components. As we know that the components of Golgi body is cisternae, tubules and vesicles. Cisternae is unbranched. It is sac-like structure. Tubules is branched and longate structure, and vesicles are round structure which is unbranched. Now we will see the components. First, cisternae. Second, tubules. And third, vesicles. Now first we will see what is cisternae in case of Golgi complex. First, cisternae. As we have seen in endoplasmic reticulum what is cisternae, what is tubules and what is vesicle. Now we are seeing Golgi complex, means how this cisternae, tubules and vesicles are arranged in case of Golgi complex. Cisternae is a sac-like structure, one over the other, filled with transparent fluid. Number of cisternae in plant, in case of plant 3 to 7, and in case of liver cells it is about 50. Now here you can see the structure of Golgi complex. These are the cisternaes, which are sac-like structure. It is one over the other, means overlapping structure, and these cisternaes are present in liver cell about 50 in numbers, and in plant cell 5 to or 3 to 7. Okay, now we are going to write some points. Cisternae, sac-like structure, overlapping, present one over the other, and this cisternaes are filled, sac-like structure means it is filled with transparent fluid, filled with transparent fluid. And in case of plants, it is 3 to 7 in numbers, and in case of liver cell, 50 in numbers. Okay, now we are going to see the another component of Golgi complex is vesicles or tubules. Tubules. Now what is tubules? Now here you can see the structure. It is branched. Here you can see this is also tubules. They are branched, irregular in shape. They are not having a proper shape, and arranged at the periphery. You can see periphery means at the corner, peripheral side. Okay, they are associated with peripheral with cisternae, means these tubules are associated at the peripheral position with the help of cisternae. Now we are going to write points. Tubules are branched, irregular structure, arranged at periphery, and associated with cisternae, means attached to the cisternae. Now the third component of Golgi body is vesicles. So we will see what is vesicle. Vesicles are round in shape. They store substance and take substance from endoplasmic reticulum and modified into cisternae. Okay, as we have seen in this video that the structure of Golgi complex, here you can see the vesicles. Vesicles are present at the cis phase means the forming phase, which is concave structure of cisternae. Now from this forming phase, these vesicles are entered at the maturing phase means here. From forming phase, from here it is entering to the maturing phase means here with the help of transparent fluid, and then here they get discharged. These are the vesicles, discharging vesicles. Why it is known as discharging vesicle? Because it enters from the forming phase. From here it is entering from the forming phase here, and then it is entering towards the maturing phase and get discharged. Okay. Now we will write points about the vesicles. Third component of Golgi body is vesicles. Vesicles are round structure, round or rounded structure. It's stored substance and take this substance towards endoplasmic reticulum and modified into cisternae. Modified, okay? Modified into cisternae. Vesicles are rounded structure, stored substance, and take it towards the endoplasmic reticulum and then modified into cisternae. And we will write here point forming phase vesicle, entered at the maturing phase, entering at the maturing phase or phase vesicles through the transparent fluid and then get discharged. Okay. So this was the structure and components of Golgi complex. Now in next video we are going to see the functions of Golgi complex. Thank you friends for watching my video.